How to fix a lag on a Roblox laptop. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix a lag on a Roblox laptop. First, open your Start menu and search for Roblox Studio. Then, click on Roblox Player from the results. Now right-click and choose Run as Administrator to permit it. Next, type %temp% in the search box and press Enter. Then click OK to open the temporary files folder. Now, select all the files inside this folder and delete them to free up space. Once it's done, open the Start menu again and search for Settings. Now, click on Apps from the left side menu. Then click on Installed Apps to see all the apps on your laptop. Now, search for Roblox in the list. Click on it and uninstall it. After uninstalling, you can reinstall Roblox to get a fresh setup and see if the lag is fixed. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.